support doctors around the country with full arch workflows. We provide every option for restorative treatment. Full arch zirconia, Graphenano, Ivotion, milled bars inside of final prosthetic, and same-day treatment. This is our full arch design team. They work here as well as around the country to support our clients with full arch designs. Our team is available on a schedule to design your case and get it back to your office within an hour so that as the doctor finishes suturing, you can take a printed prosthesis customized for that patient and place it in the patient's mouth. Regardless of which type of technology you like to use in your practice, iOS scanners, digital scan body, photogrammetry systems, we support it all here at ROE Dental Laboratory. Our robust design team is here to support you, and they're always updating their library and adding on the latest technology and services that are available to dentistry. Our full arch team is here to meet you where you are and help you solve your problems and satisfy your patients. Welcome to our full arch prosthetic department. Dan and his team have brought a high level of craftsmanship to the work that they provide our clients around the country. Our prosthetics help our clients build their reputation throughout the country. They're extremely beautiful, durable, and the workflows are straightforward with minimum amount of appointments and maximum amount of patient satisfaction. As part of our full arch design service, we offer the Art of Smile design. It's a catalog of 11 unique shapes, and it's just a starting point for design contours, and they're based upon 11 molds that we use in our CAD design library, and we tweak those molds with the patient's guidance to make something customizable and allow you to get to the end result faster with less appointment and less reworks. In addition to our outstanding zirconia restorations, we also offer a Bespoke Zirconia line, a premium zirconia prosthetic that offers over 40 points of customization and starts with a smile design process with their patients so the patient gets involved in the process. We focus on the minute details of color, texture, contouring, translucency, and most important, the patient's needs with your help and the guidance of our technicians. We're even happy to get online with your patient and you into the design phase or the finishing phase so they feel like they really created something special just for them that no one else has, and it represents who they are as a person. Give us a call. Our team is as good as you get with full arch dentistry.